Hey guys, you're at Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we have found something else. Now, you know by our channel, we do our best we possibly can to show you cost-effective ways to come to Disney and stretch that Disney dollar. Well, staying off property, obviously, is something we've always championed and done a lot of conversations about. This is a new resort that opened, a new neighborhood actually opened just off Reunion. Now, Reunion is a resort area. Reunion Village just started building and opening up. So they're still under major construction back here. But these houses are available through Airbnb and other venues. We want to show you one of these because this is a nice option for families. So this is a house. It's a full house. You kind of step in and this place has the little Mickey accents, which you gotta love. 2-car garage back in there. But now, let's show you the house. So entranceway, come immediately in and straight to your left. Island with a sink, 3 stools, really nice. Gas stove, stainless steel appliances, excellent air hood. Look at that. Beautiful kitchen. That's a chef's kitchen. A lot of Mickey accents and a lot of Disney accents throughout this house. Subtle, not overly done, which is great. Straight behind here, this is a washer and dryer. Straight ahead is one of the bathrooms. And here they have bunk beds for kids who just go crazy. That's a Star Wars theme. And clearly the owner is all Disney because there's nothing else but Disney in here. Then we come back across the hallway. It's another bedroom, queen size bed, dresser, all that. Very kind of nicely done. Furnishings are a little sparse, yes, but very clean, very tight lines here. Continue past the kitchen and you go right into the living room, which has a connected open kind of concept dining room. And then over there, obviously, a nice big TV. And then comes the master. This is the master in the back of the building, which really allows you then to have some opportunity to kind of be away from the kitchen, maybe where all the people are congregating. King size bed, sleigh bed, really nice. Come around into a real nice walk-in closet. And peel straight back to the master bath. Hold on, pop these lights on for you. Double sink. A lot of room on this countertop. Big shower, nice shower, glass door, big sprayer head, and then toilets back in here with linen closet space. So, although not huge, but if you get this on Airbnb, you're probably paying something very close to what you pay a hotel room on Disney property. Now, where is Reunion Village? Reunion Village is off I-4. Look that up. I-4 is the main highway that goes through, kind of straight to Orlando City. We are southwest of Walt Disney World. We're 22 minutes from the front door to Magic Kingdom. So it's 22 minutes you could be here. So you could be here in a house, 3-bedroom house, full kitchen, dining room, living room, all this on a very nice property. And be 22 minutes from Magic Kingdom. If being on property isn't a criteria for yours to have a fantastic vacation, this is a really, really nice option. So with that being said, guys, it's your Florida Parks After Dark. This is Reunion Village, part of the Reunion Resort. You have access to the entire resort for Reunion. It's just fantastic. Look it up as an option. It is new enough that you may have to do a little look. It took a lot of to find this one, but we did. But we are going to continue to show you options, and more options. And with that being said, guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we will talk to you later. Take care.